Welcome to these Positive Living Skills online workshops. Excellence in life, relationships, sport, work, and play is made possible by developing the ability to think, dream, and focus in positive ways. It is extremely important for children and adults to feel good about themselves and their abilities. By learning to think and see things positively, we free ourselves to develop our talents, experience less anxiety, and balance the abundance of negativity to which we are subjected. Positive thinking enables us to have confidence in ourselves, to trust our capabilities, and maintain a sense of perspective and positiveness throughout our lives. The problem with negative thinking is that it destroys our confidence, it increases our anxiety, it kills enjoyment, and interferes with our chances of performing well, especially if we are feeling vulnerable. We can free ourselves to live fully and experience life joyfully by developing positive living skills. Many of us want to be more positive and relaxed, but we don't know how. When I was younger, others will say to me, "You just need to see the glass half full." This not only increased my frustration, but I felt guilty and I became even more negative. This advice was not something I could act on. Nobody was able to teach me how to change the way I saw the world, or at least how to start to change my perspective. This program will give you the tools that you can use immediately to develop positive living skills, to be more positive, more relaxed, more focused, and better connect with others. Most of these workshops are based on the work of Terry Orlick and his book Positive Living Skills. And I want to introduce myself. I am Dr. Maria Jose Ramirez, and I am a mental performance coach. I work with athletes, musicians, business executives, and any high performer, teaching them the skills that allow them to achieve their potential in their disciplines and in their lives. I hold a PhD from Penn State University, a Master in Intervention in Sports and Physical Activity from the University of Ottawa in Canada, and a Bachelor in Psychology from Pontificia Universidad Católica de Chile. And as you can hear in my accent, I am not from Morgantown, I am from Chile, in South America, next to Argentina. And I moved to Morgantown last year because my husband lives in Morgantown. In this series, I will give you different activities designed for you to gain positive perspective, relax, manage stress, and connect better with others. In each session, I will present you with a concept or idea and an activity to practice and bring that concept to your daily life. Developing the skills to be more positive may take some time, but the good news is that these are skills and everyone can develop them. You just need practice. I hope that you enjoy this program, and I am excited to read your comments and your achievements. See you in the workshops.